This is a quick tutorial in how to record Schoology conferences and what it looks like for both the teacher and the student. So this is a Schoology conference that's already occurring. I'm sharing a screen. I want to do a bunch of actions just so we can see what that would look like. So here's a quick demo lesson. So you can start the recording in the middle of a conference, not the whole entire session. So I would be waiting for students to log all the way in. Some warm-up questions. Now I'm ready to record my lesson. I would go right up here, click on start recording. Now it's recording, and I'll talk about my lessons. Here's a quick example. Students, you should enter in the text boxes, which are in red. Be sure they're all filled out, 3-4 sentences each, yada yada. Start a poll. Do we all understand what we're talking about? Yes or no? And then for the student, they will answer. Let's say the student says yes. Sweet. We have that info. I can share my webcam if I want, but several things to keep in mind when we record a video. They only get to see the screen share and your voice, and I'll show you what that looks like in a quick minute. So let's say I'm finished with my lesson now. I'm gonna pause my recording. So I pause my recording, but I'm still in the conference with the students. I can, do Q&A, do office hours, finish up the meeting here. So there is no stop recording. To stop and finish the video recording, I would have to end the meeting. So I resume I pause the recording. Let's say I'm finished with my conference. I will end my meeting. So I'm going to click on that. Yada yada. Okay. So there's my conference. It's over now. So to access the recorded meeting for both the teacher and the student, we have to go on the completed, again, conference tab, completed option right up here, and you would find all of that stuff right here. So these are examples of the conference that I just had. As you can see why it's useful to put the date and the time. I did several duplicates because I was playing around with it. So when you record video conferences, it doesn't automatically show up. It takes up to 24 hours for the recording to show up. In general, it only takes about 5-10 minutes. So just be patient and refresh for that recording to appear. So we're gonna wait for a quick moment. As we wait for the video, let me clean these up and delete this. Okay. Alright, if I go ahead and refresh it, a moment. There you go. So this is how students access this as well. Click and play. Let me show you really quick what the statistics really mean. It means how many students are inside, students that are speaking, how many messages, emoji, raising hands. It also records a poll. But again, this is all statistics that was in that conference. If I click on play, this is what the students would see. Again, they don't see, they would see the sharing screen, and they can hear that as well. You don't see other students, they don't see your camera, they don't see the chat room. All of those settings are disabled. Let me show a quick example. Again, so this is from the student perspective. To access saved conferences, they need to go to the conference tab, go on completed, and click on play. So August 15, click and play. Again, this is where they can watch it.